You've heard it everywhere. AI is coming for your job. But what does that actually mean? In this video, we'll break down where AI will hit the job market hardest, what roles are evolving, not disappearing, and what you can do to stay ahead. The future isn't about fear, it's about preparation. Over the next 5 years, AI won't just impact a few jobs, it will disrupt entire sectors. Let's start with the ones most at risk. 1. Customer support and call centers. AI chatbots are already replacing first-line agents. Companies like Klarna reduced support staff by 80% using AI. It's faster, 24/7, and learns every day. 2. Transportation and delivery. Self-driving trucks, drones, and autonomous ride-hailing, especially in countries like the US, where trucking is a top job, are set for massive automation. 3. Retail and cashiers. Self-checkouts were just the beginning. AI will soon handle inventory, restocking, and even in-store customer service. 4. Basic legal and administrative work reviewing contracts, generating legal templates, and summarizing cases. AI tools can now do this in seconds, not days. But not all jobs will disappear. In fact, many will evolve, with AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement. First, healthcare. AI can read X-rays better than most humans, but it won't replace doctors. Instead, it will help them diagnose faster, spot rare diseases, and personalize treatments. Second, education. Teachers won't be replaced, but AI tutors will support them. Think one-on-one help for every student, tailored lesson plans, and automatic grading. Third, creative work. Designers, musicians, writers. AI won't kill creativity, it will multiply it. Think of it like having 10 assistants that never sleep. Fourth, engineering and data science. AI will help write code, analyze data, and spot bugs. But it still needs human direction, context, and oversight. Here's the surprising part. AI won't just destroy jobs, it will create new ones like artificial intelligence trainers and prompt engineers, people who teach AI how to respond, or who craft smart prompts for better output. This is already a real job, and salaries can reach 6 figures. AI ethics and policy experts. As AI spreads, we need people to define what's ethical, what's legal, and what's dangerous. Governments and companies are hiring rapidly in this space. Robot maintenance and AI operations. With more machines and smart systems, we'll need more people to build, monitor, and repair them, especially in manufacturing and logistics. So what can you do to stay relevant in the AI economy? 1. Learn to work with AI. Whether you're in marketing, HR, teaching, or tech, start using AI tools now. Try ChatGPT, use image generators, automate small tasks, build AI into your workflow. 2. Focus on what AI can't do yet. Creativity, empathy, leadership, strategy. AI still struggles with these. Lean into your human strengths. 3. Upskill continuously. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer free or cheap courses in AI, coding, design, and more. 4. Build a personal brand. Show your work. Share what you learn. In a crowded, AI-powered world, your voice matters more than ever. Yes, AI is coming for some jobs, but it's also creating new ones. The next 5 years will redefine work, not eliminate it. Those who adapt, learn, and lead will thrive. The question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, am I ready to work with AI? The future belongs to the flexible.
If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real-world AI insights. Drop a comment. How do you think AI will affect your industry? This is AI Amy from Simply AI Explained, hoping to see you in the next one.